Hello everyone, welcome to Infusion Entertainment, your new language school. We hope that you will enjoy your time on the IE campus. This video will explain you how to download our app, set up and register for the program. We will also show you how to navigate on campus, create your avatar, and go to your classroom to follow your classes. Go to our website ibrlearning.com to download the app. Choose Windows or Mac options that works for your computer. This blue screen will pop up. It will say Windows protected your PC. Click Runaway button. When you see this screen, click to Yes. Create a desktop shortcut and then say Next. And finally hit the Install button. When you complete the Infusion setup wizard, click the Finish button. Once the setup is completed, a shortcut will appear and you will press the play button. When you play the program, you will need to register for it. To create an account, you will put your email address, your name and last name, choose a password. Later, you need to click to agree terms of use and click to register now. When you first connect to the campus, you will automatically go to changing room to create your avatar. You can choose a male or female avatar, change skin color, hairstyle, and clothing. When you're done with your avatar, click to save and exit to go to your landing zone. With the arrows on your keyboard, you can move your avatar. When you press Shift and arrows, you can make your avatar run. Click to a location and your avatar can automatically move. You can go to different locations. On your left-hand side of your screen, you will see the menu bar. Click to go to and choose the location that you want to go. When you first register, you may not be able to see classrooms, but our team will approve your registration and give you the access for the classrooms. When you come to your classroom, we would like you to take a seat and click to sit. If you want to look around, you can click on the spacebar to move your head. And if you click on the spacebar again, you lock your view and you can only look straight.